Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we can look at the top bar with options, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer. After tapping on it we can see that we've got 3 or 10 seconds delay available. So let me pick 10 seconds, so let's simply tap on the option, and not only the icon will change slightly, but also inside the shutter button we can see the exact duration of the timer, so we can always check whether we've got it set or not. All we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on, after 10 seconds or 3 seconds, your device will take photos. Of course, you can always remove the timer, so simply tap on this option and tap on this icon without any time, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.